Today I felt like cooking syrniki together with you. Without flour, without semolina, without baking soda, and even without sugar. They turn out fluffy, golden, hold the shape well, and don't fall apart. Take 2 packs of cottage cheese of any fat content. I'm using 5% cottage cheese with a total weight of 360 grams. Add 2 eggs to the cottage cheese. Add half a teaspoon of salt, all to taste. Instead of sugar, I'm using 2 teaspoons of stevia, but you can use any sweetener you like. If you prefer sugar, add 2 tablespoons. Now mix everything thoroughly until smooth. I mix with a fork, but you can also use a blender. Instead of flour and semolina, we'll use chia seeds. They're easy to find in most supermarkets. We need 3 tablespoons. The more chia seeds you add, the denser the syrniki will be. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3, fiber, and protein. They support digestion, heart health, and help you feel full longer. Mix everything well and let the mixture rest for about 15 minutes so the chia seeds can swell. When I made this syrniki for the first time, I was surprised that they stayed whole. For shaping the syrniki, instead of wheat flour, we'll use rice flour. But you can use any flour you like. We don't mix the batter anymore. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture from the edge and place it onto a board with rice flour. Shape the syrniki gently with your hands. Lightly dust with flour and roll them. Then take a glass, turn it upside down and shape neat, even syrniki using quick circular movements. Adjust the height by lightly pressing with a spatula. Repeat with the rest of the mixture. For frying, we'll use 50 milliliters of vegetable oil. Fry over low to medium heat, controlling the browning. We like them well fried, so cook for about 5 minutes on one side without covering. Flip and fry for another 5 minutes, again without a lid. They cook through perfectly and don't fall apart. The first time I made this recipe, I was surprised that they stayed whole. Look how golden they are on both sides. I'll show you the rest now. I always feel happy when a dish turns out exactly as planned. The chia syrniki without flour and semolina are ready. They turned out very fluffy, tender, hold the shape well, and won't harm your figure. I'll serve them with yogurt and sprinkle with coconut flakes. Soft and juicy inside, golden and appetizing outside. The syrniki turned out exactly how I wanted them to be. Soft, airy, and homemade, using minimal ingredients with a great texture. Thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe, like the video, and leave your comments. See you next time. Bye-bye!